Hi guys, welcome back to another video. So in today's video, I'm just going to touch on mentorships, whether I think they are good for you or whether they are bad for you, or probably how you should go about handling this mentorship thing. I know there's a huge stigma around mentorships right now, especially in South Africa. I think we've seen most of the mentors allegedly, this is allegations. It has not yet been proven in court, or has not been proven maybe to my satisfaction, so everything is allegedly. So allegedly, some of the mentors in South Africa, or some of the biggest mentors in South Africa, are apparently doing one scam of some sort, or something of some sort, which is bad for business, for the industry. But in any case, people also ask me, so what do you think about mentorships? Is it a scam? What is it? The idea of mentorships itself, the idea of a mentorship, having somebody with experience and more knowledge than you have, actually showing you the ropes and holding your hand and moving with you and showing you this is how it's done, this is how it's not done, is not bad. The idea of mentorships is not bad. I think it then just becomes about people who are claiming to be mentors, or people who are abusing this idea of mentorships. I'll give you an example. Fire is not bad. You can use it to cook your food, you can use it to do a lot of things, but the moment you use fire to burn down somebody's house or to burn somebody's child, then you are taking something that is otherwise good and you are using it for your own evil agendas. So that's what I think about mentorships. The idea behind mentorships is where new traders who do not have experience in the market, who don't know what to do in the market, can have somebody experienced, somebody who has been in the industry, who can show them what to do and what not to do, show them around the market and hold their hand and make sure that at the end of the day they become a successful trader. That idea is not a bad one. But we actually just have people who probably are taking this idea to exploit other people, so that at the end of the day, the mentees, the people that are supposed to be mentored, are actually not benefiting anything. They are not getting any value out of that. The only person who is gaining out of that relationship is the mentor, who needs these mentees to not know anything, so that they keep giving them money and stuff like that. So mentorships, they are good. Mentorships, a good mentorship program is where you can actually be among good traders. Just being among good traders will boost your confidence, it will boost your trading, because then you are among people who can actually show you this is how we do this. For example, here we're looking at gold. When gold does this, this is how we do it. And being among people who know what they are doing, you can also easily see how easy it is, whatever strategy that they are using, whatever approach that they are using in trading. You can also see how easy it is. So you are lifting this dark veil of this trading thing, because you are among people or mentors who are actually showing you how it's done. Then you can actually see that it's not so complicated. You just have to do this and this and this and this and this, and then you can actually also go and do it on your own. I think that's one other thing. If your mentorship is not designed for you to actually, at the end of the day, be your own trader, your own person, but is designed for you to always be dependent on the mentors, then I think that one, I mean, there's no mentorship happening there, because mentorship is supposed to be you learn and then you go and you become your own person. Of course, you might check in once or twice or whatever, but the idea is that you learn and you go and you be your own person. However, what we have is people who just want students to always be dependent on them, and the students keep on feeding the mentors. That's where the idea gets distorted. But mentorships, very good idea, very good concept. There are mentorships in business, there are mentorships in careers, there are mentorships everywhere in every industry. So the idea of a mentorship is not a bad idea. It is only a bad idea when people abuse it. Now, did I do any mentorships myself? I think I tried one or two mentorships and I decided no, I probably don't want to do this again, because I discovered that the mentorships were not specifically designed for me to at some point being my own trader and moving away and doing my own thing. They were kind of designed for me to sort of be dependent on the mentors as well as their signals and stuff like that. So me, I tend to be an independent person, so I decided no, I'm not going to do this. I've given these guys some money to show me what they know. I think I've kind of understood what they are doing, the concept that they are using. So for me, it's time to go and do my own thing. And online, there are many other various resources that you can also use. YouTube, I used YouTube a lot. I'm in several Telegram groups. I've been in many. Some of them I left because it's just rubbish in there. But I've kept some of the best Telegram groups that I think yeah, you actually can gain value. So you can do that. You can actually find Telegram groups where people are actually offering value for free. They will be actually offering value for free, and you can join those. Some of the Telegram groups, well, it's just nonsense, so you try and stay away from those ones as well. So that's how was my experience and how I'll probably advise somebody to go about with this mentorship thing. The idea of being mentored is not bad. It happens in business, it happens in many other industries. I don't know why somebody's making noise when I'm trying to make a video, but in any case, so the idea of being mentored is not an invention of the forex industry. Mentorships are in many other various industries. They are used across the world in business, in careers, in education, everywhere. There are mentorships. It's just that in forex we have a tendency of some traders to decide they are going to make some extra money on the side, so they are going to make money off people on the side. So they design these mentorships that are not exactly mentorships, but they are just groupings where the mentor is the person who is benefiting from that, and the mentees at the end of the day they end up with nothing. So do your research. If it's possible, try and get an idea of the mentor that you are going to be mentored by. What are people saying about them? What are people saying about this person? Is a good mentor? Is their program any good? Then go in with the idea of learning as much as you can, but after that, you should be able to stand on your own 2 feet. Be able to stand on your own 2 feet and be able to become your own trader without relying on anybody. There are many other various resources: Telegram, YouTube, online, blogs, Facebook groups and stuff like that, where you can also even learn stuff for free. I'm not saying all of them. You need to screen out the bad ones and only find the cream, the best ones. Then you can actually learn from those ones. Mentorships, they are good. It's good to be among people who are thinking the same way that you think, who can actually show you what they are doing, and you can actually absorb all that knowledge and you use it to become your own trader. So yeah, that's what I think about mentorships. Leave your thoughts and comments in the comment section below, because what I just shared is my own opinion. Feel free to disagree with me, guys. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.